Hello everyone, this is Farooq. So in this video I'll show how to create a new virtual machine in Hyper-V. So let's start by opening Hyper-V Manager, which we can also open from here, Tools and Hyper-V Manager. Okay, so once this is opened, what we will do is right click on here. So we can also add servers that are on the network here. So if I have another Hyper-V server running, I can add this to this Hyper-V manager management console and manage that server. So right now we have Hyper-V roles installed on this server, so we can just click here, new virtual machine, and write the virtual machine name. Next, for older version of Linux, we use generation 1, but for Windows and newer version of Linux, because they support generation 2, we use generation 2. And you cannot change the generation once the virtual machine is created. So we assign the memory here. We can also use dynamic memory. When we use dynamic memory, this is the highest amount of memory that is assigned to this machine. So if machine is using less memory than assigned, like if it is using 4 GB, then your system will have 4 GB assigned to this virtual machine. So this is the highest amount. But if we don't use dynamic memory, then whenever the virtual machine is booted, this amount of memory has been allocated from your host machine, like physical machine, to this virtual machine. And we use to switch, and it's okay. Install in operating system later, and finish. And if everything goes perfectly, we will have a new virtual machine created right now, which we have. And settings, so we don't so when we are creating virtual machines in VMware, we have to set which operating system we will install during the creation of virtual machine. On Windows, we don't have that option anywhere. We can just uh, install when we install the OS using the ISO or whatever method we use, then it will automatically detects which OS is installed. So right now we don't have a drive, DVD drive, to install the OS. I will add a DVD drive here and apply, and then we can go to image file, browse, and I can, it's on my other screen. Okay, apply. And we also have to, yes, from here we also have to set boot mode for our VM. Okay, so that's it for, I'll actually move this up and move this up. So right now when I boot the VM, it will go to DVD drive, and once we have OS installed, we can then move hard drive above, or we can just unplug the DVD drive and then it will move into the OS automatically. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.